Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to show you how to get the prime factorization of the number 30. So we're going to start by doing a factor tree. So you're going to break 30 down into two different factors, and it could be any two factors. You can start with 10 and 3, you could start with 15 and 2, and I'll go ahead and start with 10 and 3. So I know that 10 times 3 is equal to 30, and I know that 3 is a prime factor, so I'm going to go ahead and circle 3. Now that branch of it is done, I'm going to go on to the number 10, and I'm going to break 10 down into factors. And the only two numbers that I can think of that can be multiplied by 10 besides 1 in itself are 5 and 2. Now 5 and 2 both happen to be prime numbers, so I'm going to circle both of them. Now I'm done breaking them down because all of my branches end with circles. So what I'm going to do in order from least to greatest is list the factors that I have circled. So I'm going to start with 2, and I'm going to cross it down when I write it so I don't lose track. 2 times 3 times 5. And those are all the numbers I had circled. So that means that the prime factorization of the number 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. My name is Maria, and I just showed you how to find the prime factorization of 30.